How you doing? This is Travis from Curiosity Marketing Group, and today I'm going to show you how to add a single product into your WooCommerce shop. So the first thing that you want to do is log into the backend, which is just the URL of the website, and then you can do /admin, and it'll take you to this screen. Oops. And then whenever you get here, you'll type in your username and password, and if you don't currently have one, we can create one for you and provide you the information. And then once you're on the back end of the website, you'll go to Products, Add New, and actually I'm going to open up a different product just to show and use it as an example. So let's use this one. And click edit. Okay, so we'll use this as an example. So starting at the top here is going to be the name of your product. So for instance, we'll call this one test product. Product. And then down here will be just some random text, which we can copy and paste this. And then if you scroll down and look over here on the right hand side, there's 3 boxes. So you've got your categories, your tags, in your image. The categories and the tags are just kind of ways of designating your products, and whenever the site goes live, these will actually be taken out. This is just a bunch of kind of filler data for the time being. But what you can do is if there's not a current category on here, you can hit add category and name it something like test if you want. And this could be your top level category. And then if you wanted to add another one, we could do like test, I don't know, let's call it child. And then we can put it the parent of test, and when you hit add new category, it'll add it to the bottom of the test, just like this. Same thing with the tags. If it's not already in there, you can just type in whatever you're looking for. So like test, it'll look for it, and if it doesn't find it, you can click add. You can also choose from the most used tags. I don't think there's any tags used right now, and so if there's no tags being used right now, you can do that. And then we can do set product image. And we'll use this as a product image. And if your image isn't in here, actually let's use one of these. So if one of these images aren't in here, you can always hit upload files, select from file, find it. So let's say this is it. We could click on this and hit open. It'll upload it into your media library. Then you can select and set product image. I'll just delete that to get that out of there. So let's set it as this record for now and hit set product image. You can also set a gallery, so we can add gallery items, which will be one main picture and then some items underneath, and I'll show you what that looks like. So you can just keep selecting as many as you want. If you hold shift while you do it, or control, it'll select multiple ones. And then if you ever want to get rid of one, you can either do the same thing, click it again, or come up here, and once it shows the minus, you can get rid of it. So we'll add just one. Okay, so further down here is where the bulk of the information is. So you have your prices, if there's a sale price, taxable, what kind of tax class it is. You have a short description. You can add reviews in here if you'd like. There's sharing buttons, and then if you go into the inventory, you can set SKUs. You can see if it's in stock, out of stock. There's just a bunch of different options. What kind of shipping it is. So if you know the weight and the dimensions of it, if there's a specific shipping class for it, you can link it to other products, so you can cross-sell it and upsell it. And then there's some attributes. You can set like colors to it if you'd like. So let's just use t-shirts for an example. You can set like if you have a version that's black, a version that's blue, a version that's green, and you can basically set it to whatever you want. You could do sizes, you could do dimensions. It's kind of up to you. It's fairly limitless. And then in the advanced, if there's any kind of purchase notes, you can specify the menu order of where it's at. So within the shop, the menu order you can change, and then you can enable reviews. So if you want people to be able to review it or not. And that's about it. Other than actually setting up the actual WooCommerce, the taxes and things like that, as far as setting up a product, it's that simple. And then if you ever wanted to edit one, let me close out of this. Yes, we don't want to save that. You would just go into products and find the product that you're looking for, just like we did this one. So we could always hit edit on it. And actually, I'll go back into here. So if I hit edit on this one, you'll see that it's in draft mode because we haven't published it yet. So, excuse me. So, if you want to publish it, you just hit the publish button here, and that'll make it to where it goes out to the front end of the site. So whenever that's finished updating, and if we refresh, okay, so that is published. So if we refresh this, we should see that test product. Okay, so a little more. Okay, which is here, just because we haven't set an image on it just yet. But yeah, and then we can click inside of one. So we'll do the Flying Ninja, just to show you where the different things are. So this is, if you want to set it for sale, this will be your main featured image. So this will be this product image. The product gallery would be these, so it'll put them down here. Here's your short descriptions. It's here, and then also down here. Your prices, so this one's currently on sale, so it's got a different price, and this is the normal price here. Shows your customer ratings, the title of the product, add to cart. Here's your categories, and if there's tags, it'll be underneath it. Here's any kind of related products that you can, this was your upsell and cross-sale section. And then you can click on reviews, and here's some of the reviews. And this is currently enabled, so customers can add reviews to it. And I think that does it. If you have any other questions or concerns, definitely give us a call or send us an email. Thank you.